Sir, as a student, if I use AI to simplify complex concepts of company sector or anything, is it strengthening or weakening my learning, sir?
See, you can use AI for improving your learning skills. Okay, if you are improving your knowledge base depending upon the AI, it is always improving your skill. But it does not mean that you should totally rely on AI only. Your study material ultimately stands as the base, right? So you have to basically depend on the study material what is given for you, and based on that one, you can always take the help of AI to improve your skill. So it all depends on how you are using your AI skills. Okay, it can be used as a complementary thing, okay, but you cannot totally rely on that.
If my study material gives me better understanding or explains subjects better than AI, can I go with the study material or AI, sir?
See, just now I told you, AI is only something which complements you. Okay, it does not substitute totally your study material. So even if you depend on AI to some extent and gain more knowledge, it is advisable for the student to develop his or her career. But when it comes to examination, your study material and the bare ads or the company's act as such are very important, and without understanding those things, you cannot totally rely on AI alone, because that may give you something else which is not required or which may not be suiting the requirement of the institute as such.
Uh, like we can see that AI can generate answers for the exams in the exam point of view for the exams instantly. So should the student spend time on memorizing what the AI gives, or should we spend time on understanding the concepts?
No, AI will give you a lot of answers. Yes, you can read those answers, but again, not before you understand what actually is the conceptual understanding of the study material or your course as it is. Okay, student should, yes, analyze the answers that are given by the AI once you understand the concepts and see that it is exactly or maybe more or less matching with the concepts that are taught to you in the study material. You cannot totally mug up on what is given by the AI, because sometimes it may be rudimentary, sometimes it may not actually match the requirements of what is expected right from you as a student at your level. So it is always advisable that you analyze the answers that you have derived or downloaded from AI for understanding and better understanding.
As a trainee, if I use AI to generate a compliance checklist or something like that, should I keep my seniors informed about it, sir?
See, as a good practice, it is always better to tell them that you have used the AI, but it does not necessarily require. The reason is, as a student, if you know that you are using the AI and you know the limitations of AI, and you check the content before you give it to your boss or a superior for using that one, then if you are so confident that you have done it absolutely right, you have done your pre-checks, you have validated what as the AI has given to you. In such case, it is not required. But even though it is not mandated, it is better to tell them once so that they will also understand, and if some counter check is required to be done, they can also help you. But again, it depends on your confidence.